I am Ayusha. Today I learn how to find either even numbers and odd numbers. So let's start. I make a tuple and my tuple name is x bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count underscore even is equal to 0. Count underscore odd is equal to 0. And for I in x, if I divided 2 is equal to 0, count even is equal to count underscore even plus 1. Else count odd is equal to count underscore odd plus 1. Print numbers of even number is count underscore even. Print number of odd number is count underscore odd. Count. This is an error. Number of even number is 5. Number of odd number is 5. Thank you.